Hi, good afternoon to one and all. My name is Uday. Today I am going to teach you about Workday. What is meant by Workday? Did anybody know? Did anybody know about Workday? Workday told anybody know? Any guys? Okay, I am going to teach you about Workday. See, today in this session I am going to cover you about what is meant by Workday, why do companies use Workday, how it is better than old technologies, where is Python used in Workday, and with an example I will show you in today's session. See, first of all, what is meant by Workday? Workday, it is nothing but it is a cloud-based application. It is a cloud-based application. Okay, used for human resources, human resources, payroll, okay, or recruitment, okay. Next, employee management, okay. Next, finance. Next, accounting, okay. Workday is a cloud-based application used for human resources, payroll department, and recruitment purpose, and employee management, and finance and accounting. Okay, today I will show you an example. Imagine a company with 10,000 employees. Imagine a company with 10,000 employees. Before Workday, before Workday, what happens is employee details, employee details stored in Excel. Employee details stored in Excel. Salary details, salary details in another software. Salary details in another software. Okay, and leave management in another another tool. Okay, next, recruitment in recruitment in another system. Recruitment in another system. Okay, the problems what we are facing because of not using Workday is, see, before Workday employees store data in Excel and salary details will be stored in another software, leave management will be stored in another software, recruitment in another system. Because of that, what happens is, what is the problems we are facing is duplicate data. Next one is manual work we need to do. We need to do manual work. Next, errors we are facing. Okay, next, time consuming it is. It is time consuming. It is time consuming. Okay, Workday combines everything into one cloud platform. Workday combines everything into one cloud platform. Okay, Workday combines everything into one cloud platform. Okay, why companies use Workday? So companies go for Workday. Why companies use Workday? Why? Anybody? See, old technologies like EBS, Oracle EBS, okay, SAP, ECC, okay, and PeopleSoft. They use novel technologies. Because of these problems, what are the problems we are facing because of using this means installed on company servers, installed on company servers, and expensive maintenance. Expensive maintenance. Next, upgrades are difficult. Upgrades are difficult. Next, hardware cost. Hardware costs. Okay, that's why Workday they are using. What is the advantages of using Workday? Workday advantages. Okay, old system versus Workday. Okay, old system means on premise. On premise. Okay. Workday means it's a pure cloud-based platform. Okay, expensive servers. Workday means no servers. Everything is in the cloud. Okay. Next, manual updates in old technologies. Manual updates, but in the cloud, automatic updates. Automatic updates. Okay. Next, difficult UI, difficult user interface. Here, user friendly. User friendly. Next, high maintenance. High maintenance. Next, low maintenance. Okay. What is the example? Example is bank HR department. Bank HR department. Okay. Before, what happened? Employee joins. Okay. Next, HR enters details into HR enters details into Excel. See, in the bank HR department, employee joins, HR enters details into Excel, payroll system, okay, leave system, okay. Three times we are doing daily, okay. But after Workday came, what happens is enter once, only one time you are going to enter automatically available everywhere, automatically available everywhere. Okay. Next, where Python we used in Workday. See, Python is not used inside Workday itself. Python is used for data migration. Python is used for data migration. That means moving employee data from Excel to Workday. Moving employee data from Excel to Workday. This one is integration. API integration. Okay. Connect Workday with Workday with banking systems, payroll systems, okay, attendance systems. Okay. This is how you are going to do API integration. Okay. Python is used for data migration, moving data, employee data from Excel to Workday. API integration, connect Workday with banking system, payroll system, attendance systems. Okay. Automation, what we are doing, generating reports automatically, generating reports automatically. Okay. Data validation, checking employee data before upload. Okay, checking employee. These are the type of validations that we are doing in by using Python and Workday. Okay, then you have to install Python software. How to install Python software? See, how to install Python software. See, Python. Download python.org. Go to download python.org. Click downloads here, and then go down. See, and then go down. Here you click download, then automatically Python software is going to install. Whether Python software is installed or not in your machine, go to command prompt Python double hyphen version, then version is going to install successfully. Next, VS code we need to do. VS code. Okay, go here, open VS code. Okay, go Workday, go here, open folder, Workday, Workday, go here, Workday, Where is Workday? Okay, this is already there. Okay, Workday. See, first one is employee data processing. How the employee data processing will happen? See, employee name Ravi, employee ID 1001, salary 5001. This is how the employee data processing will happen. If you run this code, Ravi 1001 50,000 is the output. This is nothing but this is how we are going to process the employee data. Okay, here we are creating a variable. Okay, stores in employee name. Okay, like that, creating a variable stores in employee ID, create a variable stores in, and then printing those variables. Okay, next I want to show you what is the flow happening here, sir. Means, see, go here, first start, create employee name, create employee ID, create salary, print name, ID, salary, and then end. This is how the flow is processing in Word, in Python. Okay, for employee data processing. Okay, next go. Next, what you need to do? Next, Workday employee validation. First, employee data processing you saw, right? Next, validation you are going to saw. Salary is equal to 50,000. If salary greater than 30,000, eligible, else not eligible. That is the validation we are doing. See, eligible. Why eligible? 50,000 is greater than 30,000. That's why it is eligible. Otherwise, if you give 10,000 here, then you can save it and then you can run. Then not eligible is the output. Okay, that's how it is going to work. These are the employee type of validations we are doing by using Python. Next one is next, what I'm see why it's eligible for special allowance, such type of things. Okay, Python validates before uploading to Workday. Before we are uploading this data to workload, Python is going to validate these things. Okay, next, Workday style employee upload we are doing. See, employee Ravi, Sita, Rahul. For loop, I am taking iterating each and every employee in employee, and these employees in employee one by one, and then printing. Okay. Then what happen if you run this code? See, Ravi, Sita, Rahul is the output. Okay. Next, suppose HR has 5,000 employees. Python reads employee records. Python validates data. Python sends records to Workday through APIs. Okay, this is how we are going to use Python. Okay, in tomorrow's session, I'm going to discuss you about variables, data types, operators, if else, loops, functions, file handling, Excel automation, APIs, Workday REST or SOAP APIs, Workday integrations, and project also I'm going to see. Workday is mainly used for HR teams, recruiters, managers, payroll teams, finance teams, and employees. Since Workday is a cloud application, user access it through a web browser. Okay, see how see in tomorrow's session I'm going to show you inside the Workday software. Inside the Workday software in tomorrow's session, I am going to show you inside the Workday software. In tomorrow's session, I am going to show you, but it is not a free software. I will show you in tomorrow's session. That's why in today's session I will show you the code in Python only. Okay, this is the Workday software. Okay, first what happen is open your how it is there inside Workday software. I am going to explain you in today's session. In tomorrow's session, I am going to show you those things. Open your company's Workday URL. Open your company's Workday URL. Example. Okay, I will show you. https://company name dot workday dot com. Okay, not workday.com, this is the thing, but what happens? Okay, anyhow, Workday is there, right? No issues. Okay, each company has its own Workday URL. Okay, here company name. Okay, suppose what is the company name? SAP. I am going to give a SAP. See, no, Oracle I will give, otherwise. See, they have different name. I think companies have different names. They will not mention their company name directly. Okay, this is the work software. Okay, no issues. I will tell you, I will show you in tomorrow's session these things. Okay, no. Going to next, what I am going to tell you about. See, enter username, password, and then sign in. These are common. Okay, after login, you typically see what you are going to see typically HR module. HR module you are going to see. In HR module, what are the employee records, job information, sorry, job information. Okay, next promotions, next transfers. These all things will be there in HR module. Next, recruiting module. Recruiting module. What and all there in recruiting module? Job requisitions, job requisitions. Okay, candidate management. Okay, next interview scheduling, and all these things are there. Next, payroll module. What and all those things are there in payroll module? Salary processing, salary processing, pay slips. Okay, and tax information. All those things will be there in payroll module. Next, finance module. Finance module. What and all those things are there? Anybody? Come. Expenses, budgets, okay, invoices, those all comes under finance module. Okay, next, after this what happened? First, Workday company, every company has their own company name that you open, username and password you entered, then HR module will be there. In that HR module, employee record, job information, promotions, transfer will be there. In recruiting module, one more module, job requisitions, candidate management, interview questions. In payroll module, salary processing, pay slips, tax information. In finance module, expenses, budgets and invoices will be there. Okay, next, employee search. Employee search. Okay, employee search. In that, what will be there means, see, at the top there is a search box will be there. In search box, what you type means Ravi Kumar, any name you can type. Then Workday, what it will do? Workday displays. Okay, employee profile, Ravi Kumar profile, employee profile. Okay, department. Okay, department. Next, manager, who is the manager for him, and job title. These all things it will going to show you. Next, example, HR wants to find employee details. HR wants to find employee details. Okay, instead of searching through Excel files, okay, they search in Workday, they search in Workday and get all information instantly. Okay, instead of searching through Excel files, they search in Workday and get all information. See, at the top they have search box. In the search box, if you type employee name, and then automatically you will get employee profile, department, manager, job title. HR wants to find employee details. Instead of searching through Excel files, they search in Workday to get all information instantly. Then what you need to do? Create a new employee. Create a new employee. HR process. HR will process, right? First, click new employee means hiring employee, right? Hire employee. Okay, then enter first name, last name, date of birth, email, phone number, department, designation, salary, and finally you are going to submit. This is how Workday creates. This is how Workday creates. Okay, the employee record. This is how Workday creates the employee record. Okay, what is the process here? HR opens Workday. Next, what happens? Hire employee. Next, what happens? Enter details. Next, submit. Next, employee created, employee created. This is how the flow will be. Then what happens finally? Apply leave. Leave you are going to apply. Okay. Employee logs in. Okay. Click time off. Okay. Select vacation leave. Okay. Dates. Okay. Example. Start date will be 10 June 2026. Okay, end date will be some date. Okay, this is how you are going to do. Okay, this is how you are going to apply leave. Okay, next, then finally submit. Okay, manager receives approval request. Then what happened? Employee request leave, manager receives request and approved or rejected he will do, and then employee is going to notify that one. Next, view pay slip. How you are going to view pay slip? Employee clicks pay, then pay slips came. Then Workday displays basic salary, allowances, deductions, net salary. That is how you are going to. Next, recruitment process. Recruiter creates a new job opening. Okay, for example, Python developer. Candidate applies, reviews resume, schedules interview, provides feedback, and selects candidate. Okay, how the flow will be: create job, receive applications, screen candidates, interview, and then offer letter, and then hire employees. Then manager activities. Manager can approve leave or approve promotions, view team information, assign goals and review performance. Next, Workday reports. Workday provides reports such as employee reports, total employees, active employees, inactive employees. Then payroll report, monthly salary cost, department cost, recruitment report, open positions, closed positions, pending interviews. Then finally, Workday integration. Workday often connects with attendance systems, payroll systems, banking systems, learning management systems. Python, Java or integration tools may be used to exchange data with Workday through APIs. Okay, this is how the entire flow we are doing inside Workday software. Okay, next example. Imagine a company hires 100 employees. Before Workday, what happened? Excel sheets, emails, paper forms, manual approval is going to do. Because of that, what is the problem we are facing? Data duplication, delays, human errors. After Workday, what happens? Single system, automated approval, centralized data, real-time reports. That is the advantage of Workday. See, typically daily work for a Workday consultant is log into Workday, check tickets or issues, create or modify employee records, configure business processes, generate reports, test changes in sandbox environment, move approved changes to production, support HR and business users. Okay, these are the daily work for a Workday consultant. Okay, common Workday modules to learn is Workday HCM, human. Okay, next one, Workday recruitment, Workday payroll, Workday time tracking, Workday absence management, Workday financial management, Workday integration cloud. Okay, these all things you are going to learn. These are the different kinds of modules that are there in Workday. Okay, here what we are seeing: HR, human resource visa, recruitment visa, payroll visa. Okay, time tracking is no, remaining things we didn't say. Time tracking, absence management. That also we will. I already explained you in the above session. This session only in the about time period, but these are all things we are going to cover in tomorrow's session inside the Workday software. I will show you inside the Workday software. Okay, Workday navigation to HCM, HCM navigation to recruiting, recruiting navigation to absence management, absence management navigates to reports, reports navigate to security, security navigate to integrations, integration navigates to Workday APIs with Python. This sequence matches how mostly organizations use Workday day to day. Workday is not a free software. Workday is a commercial enterprise cloud platform used by large and medium or sized organizations. Okay, used for human resources, payroll, recruiting, finance, and employee management. Companies pay licensing and subscription fees to use it. Who can access Workday? Usually, employees of a company that has purchased Workday, HR teams, managers, Workday consultants, and implementation partners. Users receive login credentials from their organization. That's why I mentioned company name.workday.com. Oh, see, company name.workday.com. Because of that, this is a licensed based software. The company name is will be there. They are going to give you the credentials of username and password. Okay, since this is how we are going to use Workday. Okay, in tomorrow's session I am going to show you inside the Workday software. Inside this Workday software, tomorrow I am going to show you in tomorrow's session. But this is the demo session. See, without practical knowledge, it's very difficult. That's why in demo session I showed you three practicals. One is employee data processing. Another one is validation. Another one is this one what? This is also. Third one is what? Anybody? I already explained you, na? Tell me. What is this? Hmm? Anybody? What is third one? This is nothing but Workday style employee upload. I am uploading Ravi Sitara whole data here. Okay. Okay. In tomorrow's session, I'm going to show remaining things. Okay. Before going to find the session, I'm going to show you. This is my website, udayit.great-site.net is my website, and youtube.com. Go to youtube.com and then type Uday Tech Academy. Okay, and then phone. Okay, 8143279660 is my mobile number. Place is anywhere in the world. Anywhere in the world. Why I am mentioning is anywhere in the world. Those who are my students or professionals or corporate employees or anybody, I will explain you through online. No need to worry at all. Recently we started Udayit Tech Academy. This one also website website designing also we started yesterday, from yesterday onwards. Okay, if anybody wants website, then we will design those websites and then we can send you. Okay, no need to worry at all. Okay, I will show you how to go to my website. Okay, udayit.great-site.net is my website. This is my website. Sign up, full name, email address, password, confirm password, enter, login. Here, go here, login, home page, go down. See, these many courses we are teaching in my institute, Pega Salesforce. Okay, refer to your friends also if they are interested. What they will do means, see here in youtube.com, I am uploading my all demo videos. Uday IT Tech Academy is my YouTube channel. Okay, go here, click here. Okay, these many demo videos I placed here. Okay, refer to your friends if they are go tell them to see this video, to go through these videos, and then if they are fine with that videos, then ask them to pay the fees here, and then they can enroll now. After enroll, once you sign up, you got credentials. Once you enroll, you got those credentials. You have to use here. Inside that, bank details will be there. You can pay the fees. While paying the fees, you have any doubts, go to home, go down. This is my mobile number, call to me. This is my email ID, send an email if you have any doubts. Okay, refer to your friends also. Okay, so how we are going to search? For example, AWS, like that Workday also you can search. Okay, enroll now. Before going to enroll, it is after you click on that, it is asking you email ID. How is this email ID password you are going to get? Once you sign up, you will get those credentials. Okay, this is how. This is my website and this is my YouTube channel. There I place this. Today's session also I placed it here. In today's session, you have any doubts, means you can call me or chat with me or ping with me so that I can clarify your doubts. No need to worry at all. Okay, I will say at the end of the session, in daily sessions, I will share the PDF. Okay, demo session, class video session also to you. No need to worry about for anything. What is the Workday fees? Is 20,000 is the Workday fees. Okay, sorry, 25,000 is the Workday fees because we need to buy the software, right? Okay, 25,000 is the Workday fees and actual price is 35,000. 10,000 I am going to be your discount. Okay, guys. In tomorrow session, we are going to be before in tomorrow session. If you want this, then you can pay the fees so that I can send you the link so that you can join the meeting. Okay, demo. So you can now I can start attending the sessions. Okay, guys. Thank you. It was nice meeting to all of you. Bye bye.